today we are unboxing and reviewing the JBL Clip 4, one of the most compact and rugged Bluetooth speakers you can carry anywhere. Now, as you can see, the packaging is very sleek and colorful, showing off the Clip 4's design. Inside the box, you get the speaker itself, the USB-C charging cable, some quick start guides, and safety information. That's pretty simple and straightforward. In terms of design and build, right away the Clip 4 feels very solid in the hand. It has this fabric finish with rubberized edges for extra durability, and the built-in carabiner clip makes it super easy to hook onto your backpack, your bike, or even your belt loop. Now, it's also IP67 rated, meaning that it's fully waterproof and dustproof, which is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Now, the Clip 4 uses Bluetooth 5.1 for a stable connection and gives you up to 10 hours of playtime on a full charge. And this thing right here basically takes up to about 3 hours to charge up. It charges via the USB-C, which is faster and more convenient compared to the older, micro USB ports. For such a small speaker, the JBL Clip 4, it delivers very clear and punchy audio. Vocals are crisp, highs are bright, and the bass cannot be overlooked. Guys, the bass on this thing is amazing. It's impressive for its size. It's definitely loud enough for all your personal listening or even your small gathering out there. On the downside, there's no aux inputs, which a lot of you will barely use today, and it doesn't support multiple device connections. But for the price, it's a reliable mini speaker for the everyday use. I got this from Starlight for 665 Ghana cedis on promo. So yes, but I think this should cost around 940 cedis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.